here. You can hook up to it if you wanted. Cinnamon, honey buns, cocoa.
So that's what we'll point out on this hill. But guys, that was our bunny slope. You guys are really welcoming down that. The trail from this point on, the flat roads, wide stuff, it'll disappear, get really narrow. Some of the hills are really slippery. So we're gonna go over a good example of a bad example, show you guys what we see out here and what to avoid to keep you guys on trail. We're gonna have everyone hop off for this, but before we do this training demo, if you guys want a beautiful picture with the Hawaii Mountains in the backdrop of Jurassic Park once again. So guys, coming on the bunny slope, if you look at this training hill here, the shallowest point right down the middle, caused by water runoff, Mana standing right in it. We call it a rut. You guys want to keep your tires on the high side, where there's 2 feet right there. That's where you want your tires to be. We used to tell our guests that it was simple, just follow the tire marks. I realize, and I don't tell people to do that anymore, because a lot of tire marks are where they shouldn't be. Like in the lowest part of this training hill, a lot of people, they try to drive a straight line down the hill. If you try to drive a straight line down different parts of our trail, you're going to get your tires in place. Not to straddle that anymore, so that rut eventually goes off the trail and over a cliff. Don't follow it. Stay on trail. Sometimes I've had people coming down our bunny slope not liking the roots in the rocks. They come down the hill on the grass over here, and I stopped the tour and I asked them, hey, you're off the trail. Get back. No. They're like, it's safe here. You can't see what's in the grass. There's boulders. There's ditches behind you guys. The trees and vegetation. That's a 50-foot drop to the flat part, and another 40-foot drop to the bottom of the valley there. That's 20 foot down to the road, and the porta potties on this side. That'll suck on 2 different levels. So if you don't know what's off the trails because the trees hides things, stay on the right path. If you need your brakes today, as I mentioned when we of our training, you don't want to use a lot of brakes. So sometimes people do that the whole way down a hill. Smooth and steady goes a long way. At a standstill, it's really hard to turn, make your corrections, and the person behind you won't be ready for you to stop that off, and they're going to run right into you. So some people are used to it, some people aren't, but if you ever feel the machine start to slide, most times it's the back of the machine that starts sliding first. So if the back of the machine starts pushing to your left, you want to turn into it and keep your tires in motion. Sometimes people, when the machine slides left, they turn in the opposite direction. That's when you can spin completely around the trail. So it's sliding to your right, turn right, keep it rolling forward, it'll straighten itself out. But on this hill, I'll show you guys how it should look like. Don't follow the tire marks in the rut, but this is where you should be. From here, to the right, left, back to the right. Nice and turn. See that rut center? It's like it's not even. Initially, they had 6,000 acres, so roughly 50 cents an acre. You're not going to find real estate that cheap anymore, especially in Hawaii. You'll see lots down in the valley we're going to drop down into. We're going to make a switchback. If you guys find yourself going back down that bumpy hill we came out of, guess what? You've probably gone the wrong way. So stop, because we're going to make a left down in the valley here. This is where we've been seeing lots of the feral pigs, because there are lots of fruit trees in season right now. This little bush right here with the red fruit on it, that's a strawberry guava. Some of the mango trees still have mangoes on them. Mango, just so you guys know, is the closest relative to poison oak that we do have in Hawaii. A lot of people don't realize the sap of the mango tree and the fruit, if it gets on your skin, like for myself, I don't have any type of allergies, but if the sap of the mango tree gets on my skin, I can break out in a rash. So we call it mango rash, just so you guys know. You guys take a look at that cliff face. You guys see that big dark spot of that cave? Yeah. Sometimes people point out like cartoon characters. You guys see someone?
What do you see? Like Simpsons.
Homer Simpson.
Yeah.
Homer Simpson holding a Butterfinger beer flipping you off.
Yeah.
People say Boeing, we should grass, or Casper the Friendly Ghost, Wile E. Coyote, howling.
Can you blow that up?
Oh. That's what we call it.
Okay.
Don't want to run out wide with the rope. You're going to hit that tree where Mana is, like George of the Jungle, wrong movie. Any type of slack in the rope is your worst enemy. So if you jump up, that'll come crashing back down. It's hard to hang on to the rope. If you lean forward, run forward, or any type of forward momentum, it's not good. You want to grab above 2 knots, high as you can. You want to have your more dominant hand, whichever hand's stronger you feel, because that's going to hold up about 80% of your weight. So grab above each knot. You're going to lean back, kick up your feet, take a picture. Ooh. Oh, my phone. Oh my God. And feet down. Empty your pocket just in case. I could have lost my phone right there. But might be swimmable.
Oh, thank you. What do they, do you know what they do for like the tubing adventure thing? If it's so